My family plays the Wii a lot, and a couple problems that we have. For one, we go through AA batteries really quick just because we play so much. The other thing too is we lose Wiimotes a lot. The couch eats them, our toddler eats them, everything eats them. We don't know where they end up. So I'm fixing both of these problems by getting a dock. So it will keep the Wiimotes fully charged at all times, and then there is a specific place that you have to put the Wiimotes, otherwise they stop working because the battery dies. I did buy the dock and these Wiimotes separately. The Wiimotes I got just because the colors are really cool. I really like baby blue, not quite baby blue, but close enough, and the rest of my family really likes pink. So this is a really cool color combination for the Wiimotes. This is how the Wiimotes arrive. So they do come with these kind of protective rubber stuff. I don't like the way that this feels, so I'm gonna take these off. They also come with your straps, and these are something I don't use because I don't throw my Wiimotes in a fit of rage, so I find I don't need these a lot. Pretty cool design actually. I like the pink and blue. It looks legit. So I like to use my Wiimotes with a dock because I don't like going through AA batteries, so I got this dock to go with it, and we'll see. I know that these batteries, they're not quite as powerful as AA. Rechargeable batteries, they don't have the same kind of power, so we will see if they still power these or not. And I have not charged these yet, but let's give them a try. It just kind of pops in like this. There we go, that worked. So one cool thing about this dock, I've actually purchased another dock, and this has a hole so that you can pair it. The other dock I got did not have that, so you had to put AA batteries. Buttons feel good. They are probably a bit more stiff than your actual Wiimotes, but yeah, they feel good. I like them. Oh cool, so this dock has some feet to elevate it. Plug this in, power cord in the back, just find a USB port. There is an on-off switch. You can see these blue LEDs that are going around. This is a nice dock. This is nicer than the other dock I got. And then we put it on. Oh, perfect. So it fits really well. As soon as you put it on, it turns red. They both have power. So far, really happy with this dock. Let's see how well it actually works. Now that we've used these Wiimotes and dock for a while, I can say I'm really happy with them. So the buttons for the Wiimotes, they're a little bit more stiff than what you get with the Wii, but I kind of like that. I like the firmness of the buttons. The dock works great. It's so nice to charge the Wiimotes. Now it can be a little bit fickle at times. Sometimes when you put it down, you have to just make sure that the light turns on, but once the light's on, you know it's charging, and it does a really good job. Overall, I'm really happy with both the Wiimotes and the dock. I've actually bought another dock before. Turns out this one's actually the better dock of the two, so I'm really happy with this. Really happy with these Wiimotes. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.